Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to chat on Instagram. First of all, of course, you have to log into your account, and then after you have logged to your account, you can click this icon. You can click this icon on the top right corner. Okay, and you can click search, guys, right here. Click search. And you have to type the account that you want to chat. For example, I'm going to chat my another Instagram account. Okay, and you can write your message here. It's up to you. And then you can click send. Okay, you can click send right here. Okay, that's so easy, guys. Thanks for watching.